The LSEV is being called the world's first mass-produced 3D printed car, and honestly it feels like a glimpse into the future of mobility. This compact electric vehicle stands out not just because of its modern gray color finish, but because of the revolutionary way it is built. Instead of traditional heavy manufacturing methods, most of the body panels and structural components are created using advanced 3D printing technology. That means fewer parts, less waste, and a faster production process compared to conventional cars. Welcome back to Auto Insider, your trusted place for the latest car reviews, specs, and features from around the world. Today we are diving into something truly futuristic, a car that changes the way we think about manufacturing and urban transport. The LSEV is developed by the Chinese company LSEV in collaboration with Polymaker. What makes this vehicle special is that almost all visible body parts are 3D printed, reducing the number of components drastically. Traditional cars can have thousands of individual parts, but the LSEV uses only a fraction of that number. This not only lowers production costs but also reduces environmental impact, which is a huge plus in today's eco-conscious world. Talking about the design, the gray color gives the LSEV a clean and modern appearance. It looks minimalistic yet stylish, perfectly suited for city driving. The compact shape, short overhangs, and upright stance make it ideal for tight urban spaces. It is designed mainly as a two-seater, focusing on practicality rather than luxury. The lightweight 3D printed panels also help in improving efficiency since the overall weight of the vehicle is much lower than many traditional small cars. Under the hood, or more accurately under the floor, the LSEV runs on a fully electric powertrain. It is equipped with a small electric motor that is designed for city commuting rather than high-speed highway driving. The top speed is around 70 km per hour, which makes it perfect for urban roads and short daily trips. The battery pack offers a driving range of approximately 150 km on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and usage. Charging the LSEV is simple and convenient. It can be plugged into a standard household socket, making it accessible for most users without the need for special charging infrastructure. This makes it especially attractive for crowded cities where installing complex charging systems can be challenging. Inside the cabin, the LSEV keeps things simple and functional. You get a digital instrument display, basic infotainment controls, and comfortable seating for 2 passengers. The layout is straightforward, focusing on usability. Because of the 3D printing process, customization options are also more flexible. In the future, buyers could potentially choose personalized interior or exterior design elements that can be printed on demand. In terms of safety, the LSEV is built mainly for low-speed city environments. It includes essential safety features such as seat belts, reinforced structural components, and stable braking systems. While it may not compete with full-size sedans in crash performance, it meets the necessary standards for light urban vehicles. One of the biggest advantages of the LSEV is sustainability. 3D printing significantly reduces material waste during manufacturing. If any part gets damaged, it can potentially be reprinted and replaced easily. This reduces repair costs and environmental impact. The electric drivetrain also means zero tailpipe emissions, making it a cleaner alternative to traditional fuel-powered city cars. Overall, the LSEV is not just a car, it is a bold experiment in how vehicles can be designed and produced in the future. It may not be the fastest or the most luxurious, but it represents innovation, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. For crowded cities and short daily commutes, it offers a smart and futuristic mobility solution. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates on the latest innovative cars and automotive technology, make sure to subscribe to Auto Insider and stay connected for more exciting